Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. So I know that every one of us struggle to draw eyes, like we don't get the eyes look realistic. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to draw eyes the right way, easy and step by step. So let's get on to the video. So first, draw a line. And then draw another line that gets higher, kinda like a hill. And then slowly move the line downwards. Next, you want to draw the lower part of the eye with the guideline that we just created. Now create a cross at the highest point of the eye shape. Now draw a pupil at the center and also draw a waterline in the eye. Where a lot of people tend to forget that our iris is not completely visible. The eyelid covers the top part of the iris. Now let's draw the eye crease that goes above the eyeball. Now let's move on to the shading part, where we add more details to the eyes. Line out the iris and then draw lines all the way around the pupil like that. Make sure the lines are very thin by moving the pencil softly. Depending on where the light will fall into the eye, add a small light reflection. Next, color in the pupil with a soft pencil, and you want to make the circle as dark as possible. Now you can move on through adding more details to the iris. Draw more lines just randomly and add them starting from the pupil to the outer iris. Add longer and shorter lines in the iris. Next, you want to add more dark areas and shadows below the eyelid. Make sure the shadows blend softly into the iris. You only want to darken the top area. Now let's add some more shadows to the eye. First, I'm going to draw over the pencil lines to get it even more darker. Now just use a cotton bud to blend everything together. Now let's move on to drawing the eyelashes. Remember that eyelashes grow in a curve with different lengths. Start out from the outer corner and add one eyelash after another. As you can see, the right part looks to the right, and when I go to the center, the eyelashes are up. When I go to the left, the eyelashes point to the left side. They also get shorter and shorter. Now let's move on to draw the eyebrows. So for this drawing, I used the eye shape as a guideline. So just start above the eyes, somewhere around the inner corner, move up where the iris ends and move down again. Draw lines in the eyebrows and in the lower part upwards. Move along the lower line. Now just add shadows or anything you want to make the eye look even more realistic. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If so, then leave your comments down below in the comment box. If you want to see more videos like this, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see you all in another video. Bye everyone.